Hi friends, my name is Ritesh and today I would like to show you that what is the edit interaction feature in Power BI. Okay, so I will take I have this small table employees for your for your understanding. Okay, so what I will do, I will take a tree map here. Okay, tree map, and I will drag the employee ID here and salary in my values. Okay, so this is reflecting me the salary by employee ID. Okay, now let me make the data labels on. Okay, and let me increase some text size also so that it will be visible to you. It will be 14. Okay, and let me increase the category size also. It will be 14 also, and let me increase the title size, which is like suppose 17. Okay, now it is reflecting fine. Okay, so these are salary and these are employee ID and these are their salaries. Okay, now I will take another graph, okay, which is like a stack bar chart. Okay, now what I will do, I will drag the first name in axis and salary in values. Okay, I will make the data levels on. Okay, and let me increase some text size for the y axis, will be suppose 14. Okay, now it is fine, and let me increase the data label size also, so it will be 14. Okay, now now let me use edit interaction here. Let me select this graph. Okay, let me go to format. Let me go to edit interaction. Okay, and now suppose I want whenever selecting this this particular salary by employee ID, I am selecting this value of employee ID is 100 and salary is 24,000. But it's showing me that Stephen is that employee which has employee ID is 100. Okay, it is showing me his data, but like rest of the data is getting blurred. Okay, so I do not want this blurred data. I only want this Stephen data. Okay, in this graph. So I want that this should be highlighted only. This blur data I do not want. So how I can get this? So as you can see that I have used edit interaction. So let me on this filter now, and let's see that it is now reflecting me only Stephen data. So that that blur data is already hidden. Okay, it is not showing me the blur data. And like if I'm selecting 205, so it is showing me the name of the employee of the of the employee ID to 205. Okay, and it is showing me the employee salary of that particular employee. And if I will be selecting this employee, so it is showing me his name and his salary. Okay, if I will be selecting this employee, it is showing me his name as his and his salary. Okay, so that blur data is getting hidden now. Okay, now let me unselect this and let me show you the another feature of edit interaction. Suppose your upper management told you that I through the slicer I only want to reflect a one graph which is my left graph, which is salary by employee ID. I do not want to reflect this salary by first name. So how I can get this? Okay, let me take a slicer which is a date slicer, higher date. Okay, let me make it some small, and yeah, now if I will dragging this date column. Okay, as you can see that both graphs are changing. Both graphs are the data of both graphs are changing. Okay, but I do not want this. I want only one graph should be reflected, which is my salary by employee ID. Okay, so filter is already on, so you have to just click on this none option. Just click on this, and now just check this slicer now, and just drag it, and let's see. And as you can see that only the left graph is reflecting, right graph is constant. Okay, so it is not reflecting at all, which I want. Okay, as you can see, this is reflecting, this is not reflecting at all. Okay, yeah, this is reflecting, this is constant, this right graph is constant. So this is the feature of edit interaction in Power BI. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Thank you.